just want to say hello. Sibingelela Apostle, how are you doing?
Siyabingelela dokotela, sekuphinde kwabolunye usuku olunamandla nesibusiso sokuphinde sihlangane sikhulume ngathi ngawe nangathi sonke.
Yebo, and we are sikulento nje ukuthi I know who I am.
Definitely ayikho into enamandla njengokuzazi ukuthi ubani. Ngoba umuntu ozazi ukuthi ungubani kulula ukwazi ukuthi uphuma phi. Definitely uyakwazi ukupave ukuthi uyazi.
And lento enamandla ngiyibona kusineche ecula leli culo esiculise. I know who I am. Ukuthi you know what, the power is when you declare who you are, then people saying who you are.
Definitely phela angithi when we allow people to declare who we are, it means ukuthi siphenduka ama people's pleaser.
Yes.
Kanti lokho kusenza singabe bikho kwi true calling yethu.
Yes.
And then once we know ukuthi who we are, we stand for what we believe in, and then
my success does not necessarily mean I'm taking anything from you.
Definitely, it means that we can all success in the same time, but in the different categories.
In the same place also.
Yes, in the same place as well.
But why do we have so much problem where it feels like my success is taking something from you?
It's because if fear yokuthi omunye umuntu by nature, we have to study by nature umuntu unalento yokuthi akamind umebona omunye umuntu eba successful as long you don't get.
There are so many people who are scared to live a big life, and ubona umuntu talented in so many ways but uthola ukuthi akwazi ukuya phambili. So what could you say kumuntu onjalo namhlanje? One, how can I change myself when I feel threatened by someone and I feel like ukuphumelela kwakho kuthatha iglory yami? And what can you say kumuntu othi I want to accept myself? What could be the first step angasenza manje?
Angithi yonke lento idalwa ukuthi abantu they are self-centered without recognizing themselves. Masithi umuntu uphila u24 hours olingana nabo bonke abantu, masithi umuntu uno 365 days a year like everyone, bese sesithi kunabantu othola ukuthi in a day they've got about 3665 hours, and you ask yourself, because everyone on 24 hours, how come these people, they've mastered certain things in their life to buy isikhathi sabanye abantu, so then those people they can do their things.
So I buy your time.
I buy your time, I buy your time to do my work. And you know, umuntu uhlala eswini for 9 months, but children, they get born at 6 months, at 7 months. We call them premature. Some of them, they born 9 months, abanye 12 months. So ongasho ukuthi there's something wrong, but the very significant, important issue or point about that ukuthi ngesikhathi behlele eswini sabo mama,
yes,
kunezinto okumele zenzeke ziqhume kubona, preparing. Uma lezo zinto zingenzekanga right ngesikhathi esifanele senalesi sikhathi asimisele eswini, obviously uzophuma default, uzophuma umuntu ezalwa from the time now 1 second ezalwe to the period of 6 years, udinga uma wakhe to be nurtured by the mother for the purpose of intimacy, yokudlulisa ukuhlakanipha, knowledge and wisdom. And umama engazange abebikho during the first 6 years of your life, noma kuthi ukhuliswe umndeni o powerful kangakanani, step mama esikuthanda kangakanani, omalume ogogo omkhulu, which is nothing wrong with that, but because element in a level yokwazi ukuhandlisha umntwana, we level the best level umama in communication during intimacy yomntwana nomama, and that thing if ingenzekanga accordingly nangendlela uNkulunkulu ayikale ngayo, then it affects your future. And then from the age of 6 to 12 the child needs a father. Lento yokuthi sithi asibafuni obaba ngoba akayikhulisanga ingane, you cannot be in the life's child and stuff like that, it doesn't work here. Kwabantu abasejele, you go and find out who did crimes, abantu abaphuma kuma absent fathers. Mesibuke emgaqweni ingane, which is we call namhlanje amaphara, they've been dissected by their families.
Ngoba uyikhokhelanga then awuyitholi.
Ngoba ikhokhelanga uyitholi, and you know the damage you are causing. The same sigebengu esobuya soshisa umuzi, sinithengele igebengu, senze yonke into the same lengane abalela ukuthi ayikhokhelwanga, kanti ukuba ku-investwe ekutheni ithole izazi ukuthi ubani, bese nina behind the scene try and resolve your issues as adults and sit down and talk about